What's up YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you a headlight modification for FZ25 which I've done according to my own needs. So आते साथ ही वीडियो का ये सिग्नल स्टार्ट हो गया. I wanted to start early for this video but unfortunately I wasn't well, so थोड़ा देर से ही स्टार्ट किया at least. So I'll just stop somewhere and show you what कौन सा modification मैंने किया है. And as you can see it has started raining as well. I'm kind of pissed off with the weather. अचानक से बारिश शुरू हो रही है. Glad I'm carrying the Decathlon raincoat which I've been using from quite some time and ये काफ़ी effective है बारिश के सीज़न में. So फिलहाल I'll just park my bike somewhere and I'll show you like how this is looking. That's why I always carry your rainwear whenever you're out on a bike. Don't take risk. So one more update on my FZ25 is that I'm using a Moto 10W40 7100 oil. Maybe here but जब ये ऑफ होगा तभी आपको दिखाई देगा. If I turn it off, it's kind of looking dark now. That's how it's looking in the dark. You can see right now. This has been tinted. So this is the final look. Side profile as well. Right, I guess I'll just take it back for a spin because अचानक से बारिश हो रहा है ज़ोर से. Now if I turn it on, there's still decent amount of lighting. DRL lighting के लिए नहीं होता, ये बस दिखावे के लिए होता है actually. Yes, it's time to head back home. I don't want to get wet and sick again. So इसमें you might be guessing कितना खर्चा होगा. It's hardly $120. I just randomly went to any shop in Wellington and I showed them my rendered picture जो मैंने एक render किया था खुद से. I'll show you in the video. And उस render के basis पे उन्होंने मुझे एक film दिखाया that was kind of dark and I liked it, so I just got it installed and trust me, it's looking damn good, especially when it's parked. I mean, even it has decent lighting, but जब ये park किया हुआ है, when the lighting is turned off, assholes, when the lighting is turned off, तब ये आपको और ज़्यादा better लगेगा. So this is a dangerous spot that I'm going to. Should avoid at all cost. And it's getting really dark now because of the rain as well, and it's like 5:15 in the evening. And I'll show you कि कोलकाता का रास्ता में आपको लद्दाख वाला भी feeling कैसे आएगा. So I am just checking if I have all my stuffs in my pocket because आगे रास्ता बहुत ख़राब होने वाला है. I have to get. So I think I personally like the look after getting it tinted. Oh my god. After getting it tinted and जब ये पार्क रहेगा तब वो एक dark, full dark वाला look आएगा. That is what I was waiting for. Because some people don't like the FZ BS6 because some people don't like the FZ25 BS6 headlights. It's all about preference and choice. I don't care, but I personally like it. I just wanted to get them tinted. और इंडिया में तो MT-03 आने वाला है नहीं 2021 2022 में भी. So I have plans to get the MT-03 headlight for my FZ25, and it will be it will look good because the FZ25 has a very wide body, kind of similar to the Dominar. So that's it, guys. That's all for today's video. You can see it's raining so heavily all of a sudden. I have to keep my camera and stuffs inside, and we'll see you again, catch you up in the next video. Stay tuned and subscribe karna mat bhulna. I'm about to hit 1000 subscribers. Yep, ride safe, wear your gear properly. Assholes just get in the way all the time. बहुत जोर से हवा चल रहा है. I guess I have to stop the video here. I only have one camera right now. I don't want to get it ruined. I want to destroy it. And it's raining so heavily, man. Just look at it. That's it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and share and drop your comments on if you like the look of this bike or what modifications you want me to do on this bike.